Welcome to Track 3D. In this video, we'll guide you through how to use Track 3D's measurement tools to extract spatial insights directly from your drone orthomaps. Let's look at how to create your first measurement. Start by selecting the project and level where drone data is available. From the floor plan, choose a capture point and click View Image. This will open the drone view. Next, from the bottom right of the screen, select Map View to open the ortho map. Now, let's select a measurement tool. From the drop-down at the top of the screen, select the measurement tool and choose the type of measurement you want to create. Options include point length cross-section stockpile or area to draw your measurement. Click the drop points and form your shape or path. Finalize by double-clicking on the last point. A form will appear where you can add details such as a label or name. Once saved, the tool automatically calculates the measurements. Your saved measurement will be listed with type, name created by, and timestamp. This makes it easy to organize and review measurements across different captures. And that's it. You've successfully created measurements using Track 3D. If you have any questions or need access permissions, please contact us at support@track3d.ai. Thanks for watching.